I'm Michael Wu, Project Manager for TritonTalk. One of the many challenges that remote learning has presented is that it's limited opportunities for many UCSD students to socialize and interact with one another. We tackle this problem by creating TritonTalk as a hub that enables students to perform many tasks that they would have done on a daily basis while they were on campus, all while simulating a familiar library walk type environment. In the rest of this video, my team will demonstrate the types of things that students can do on TritonTalk, as well as explain the technologies that make developing our product possible.
Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I'm one of the user interface specialists. I'll be demoing user registration and login. So suppose I'm a first-time user. I'm going to click Login, and as you can see, we now have a prompt for Google Sign-In. Our login system utilizes Google authentication, and the users are stored in a Firebase database. We check that the email used is a UCSD email, so here I'm going to provide my UCSD email. Since I'm a first-time user, I am sent to this registration page to input my major, college, and year. This information will be stored in my profile settings, which will be explored later. After inputting my information, I will be redirected to Library Walk and have full access to all the features.
Hello, my name is Jack Sheridan, and I'm the software lead. Let's take a look at our virtual library walk. As you can see, there's some beautiful pixel art of Geisel Library and the library walk itself. And in the top left, we see a tutorial of how to move our character. We can use the WASD keys as arrow keys to move our character left, right, up, and down, and a combination of these to move our character diagonally. We can hold Shift to sprint or walk faster. And if we're far away, we can press Enter to teleport back to home. Finally, we can click on the tutorial to hide it.
Hello, my name is Michael Kaufman from M3NC, and I'm going to demonstrate joining a club call and joining an individual call. Here I'll make a call, so I'll press E. And there we go. Hi. What's up, Jack? Alright, and now I'm just going to close this call. And so I'll just press this leave button here. So join a club, if you're close enough proximity to pull up this menu. This menu has a little bit of information about the club. It has the name, an image, and a bio. You also have this button where you can join a call. So to join a call, you press E. So I'll join this call here. So I'm joining ACM now. And here we go. What's up, everyone? Hi. And so there we go. Now I can close the call here, and
Hi, I'm Carl. I'm the Senior System Analyst, and I'm going to go over the settings page for TritonTalk. So here I am in Library Walk, and let's say I want to change something about my account. I just have to go to the top right corner in the drop-down, click on Account Settings, and here I am in the settings page. I can change my college, my major, my year, or my mini biography. And if I want to reset my changes, I just have to click on the bottom left to reset my changes. Let's say I want to change my biography from hello to hi. Hi. And let's say I want to change my sprite from Triton to Sun God. All I have to do is click on Sun God, click on Update, successfully updates my user, and go to Library Walk, and here I am as Sun God. All these settings changes goes into the database, so all I have to do is go back, and you can see all of these changes are saved.
Hi, I'm Cher, I'm the business analyst, and I'm going to show you how to create a club and a booth on Library Walk. So first, we go to our clubs page, then we register a new club, fill in our name, upload a nice representative photo, and here you can describe your club, add any info that you wish to provide. Submit. It's created. Now if you want your booth on Library Walk, then you go to create booth, and you have the option of hosting the call immediately or later, but right now everyone can check it out. So if we go back to Library Walk, you can see it right here. Have fun!
Hi everyone, my name is Shubham and I'm the database specialist, and today I'm going to talk about our database and backend framework. For our database, we chose to use MongoDB for a couple of reasons. First off, MongoDB has a free cloud-hosted solution, and that was really important to us. Second, the NoSQL model allowed us to do the same tasks as a SQL database, but with fewer tables and less overhead. We connected to our database using Mongoose, an object-oriented ORM package for MongoDB, which allowed us to enforce validation rules and strict schemas. Our backend uses Express on Node.js. The modular format allowed us to separate the different controllers and maintain tight cohesion in all of our files.
Hi, I'm Jonah, the algorithm specialist. During development, we found that it was important for users to get real-time updates of what is happening on Library Walk. This allows users to interact with one another and improves their overall experience. We found that Socket.io was the right tool for the job, allowing us to send player locations, sprites, and more real-time data between players and the server. We also send booth data through Socket, allowing for real-time rendering of adding and deleting booths. We constructed a network of Socket messages, allowing for intuitive and efficient communication between clients. Overall, Socket helps us to improve the user experience of the app by allowing for easy, real-time updates between numerous clients and the server.
Hi, I'm Michael Escandafi, and I'm one of the user interface specialists. We chose React as a front end for a couple reasons. One, React has a strong community for necessary troubleshooting. For over these 10 weeks, we've had to rely on Stack Overflow and other resources outside of just the TAs. Two, modularizing the React components helped us break down the workload for all 10 members to distribute the work. 3. States and props allow the parent-child relationship, which allows users' data to be locally modified until saved in the database. 4. React has an intuitive integration of JSX with HTML and CSS. We also had Bootstrap, which allowed us to have responsive grids and images, such as for the home screen and the settings page.
Hi, my name is Johnny Nguyen, and I'm the QA lead. I'll be discussing team organization during the development of TritonTalk. In order to keep things agile, we prioritized adaptability and emphasized communication. Bi-weekly meetings of a longer form gave the entire team a chance to brainstorm and discuss new updates together directly. But we did keep the spirit of daily Scrum by ensuring that all updates were relayed to the team on a day-to-day basis. Everything would be compiled into our meeting notes. This would include new updates, needs, to-dos, and deadlines of next steps, and potential obstacles to development, with all objectives in the same place. Everybody on the team was always on the same page, which allowed for self-organized and self-motivated development teams to form on their own, with clear metrics for progress. Our progress followed a circular workflow, with functionality being conceived, then documented, with our documentation process being a constant throughout the entire run, then implementation, and finally maintenance and testing before the conception of new functionality or new additions. This process would repeat until we, from the perspective of the user, were satisfied with our end product.